Getting spam calls from the same area code over and over again? Here's a simple trick to block them on your iPhone. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon to create a new contact. You can name it something like Spam Area Code, so it's easy to recognize. Now, tap on Add Phone. Here's the trick. Enter the area code followed by a few random digits. For example, if the spam calls are from 123, you can enter something like 123 000 0000. Once done, tap Done. Now, go to your iPhone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Next, tap on Blocked Contacts. Tap Add New and select the contact you just created. And that's it. It's now added to your block list. Quick note, this method helps reduce spam from similar numbers, but it may not block every single variation. Extra tip, you can also enable Silence Unknown Callers in phone settings to automatically filter out unknown numbers. And that's how you block area code spam calls on iPhone.